So, hi folks, Shane here. Saturday, March, could be the 21st, I'm not sure. But anyway, here we are, coronavirus, still on about it. At the moment there's no lockdown in the UK for movement. So, a little bit of self-isolation. As you can see, there's a nice bit of distance between us. There's three of us out today. Myself, Steve in front on the Triumph, and young Wayne on his Jigsaw. So we're actually doing a bit of a bread delivery this morning to a friend in Pulborough. So then we're going to head on up to Whiteways, just for a ride and a bit of a chat and a brew. And today is going to be used really not only to get a bit of fresh air, because a lot of us now are having to work from home and stuck indoors all day. It's brilliant, I'll be honest with you. It does you nothing, especially when all you're doing is looking at a couple of computer monitors. Yeah, so today's really a much welcome ride out, shall we say. Now I know there's people who will go poo-poo, bar humbug and all the rest of it, and I understand that, but the way we see it is, you know, at this moment in time there is no lockdown, we're not coming into contact with anybody, we're riding at a very sensible pace, in fact more sensible than normal, to try and reduce any risk of RTCs, etc. But also, you may be aware, another reason for going out today is to have a little chat about Plan B regarding France. Believe it or not, I'm still hoping that we can still go, but you know what hope is. I've got a feeling it won't be happening, so we need to consider alternatives for France. And if possible, can we still ride around the UK in May? Now Boris and his advisors may decide, no, that's not an option, you've all got to you know, or everybody's got to be on lockdown, unless you've got a document which authorises you to be out on the streets. Yeah, you can't go out, apart from like they're doing in maybe in France and Spain, possibly Italy as well. You can go out to the shop, i.e. one member of the family, to go and get food, or if you've got an animal like a dog or something, one person from the family can take the dog for a walk. I hope, in all hopes, it doesn't come to that. They've just shut all the schools in the UK, and the pubs and clubs and gyms and libraries and goodness knows what else. I mean, another thing, next weekend we were supposed to be going to Bovingdon, the Tank Museum, but that's again not happening, and quite understandably as well, really. You know, we need to try and reduce the risk, and if that means shutting down all of these places, that's what they have to do. It's reducing the risk of contact, isn't it? But I personally can't see anything wrong with getting out on your bike, taking it steady, getting some fresh air, and a little bit of social distancing. You know, just have a bit of fun. Anyway, guys, welcome to Sussex and some of the villages. I'll let the video keep on recording for a while. Cheers now. Isn't it lovely to see the old leaves coming back on the trees and the flowers in the grass and in the hedgerows? Absolutely stunning. Love it. You know, even through this coronavirus nightmare, you know, just getting out and seeing what we can see, the beauty of the nature and the countryside. Happy days. You know, yes, we've all got to adjust the way we live. But we are very privileged to be able to get out and about. And I think actually, you know, if, let's say for example now, government say yes, there is going to be a lockdown, nobody can get out and about. When that lockdown is lifted, I think people will appreciate what we got just a little bit more. Anyway, here we are at Whiteways. Time for a bite to eat and a cup of tea. Because I am Hank Marvin. Here we go. Shooby-dooby-doo. Let's stick this in here. That'll do.